Okay, hello guys. My name is Keith. I'm a freelancer in web designing and I'm also a forex trader from Zambia. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough tutorial on IQ option. Okay, I'll start with the registration, how to trade, how to deposit money, how it works, and everything you need to know about IQ option trading in Zambia. Okay, so let's get started right away. Okay, if you're watching this video from YouTube, all the links will be provided in the description. Okay, I'm also having a forex trading course on my website. It's actually 100% free. You can also enroll. So if you want to register an account for IQ option, first of all, we're going to search for my website on Google. Yeah. Okay. So what you need to do is, okay, you have to click on deals. Okay. So once you click on deals there, you have to scroll down and find where it's written forex brokers, and we're going to click here where it says click here to sign up with IQ option. So when you click here on IQ option, it's going to redirect you to this page where you can create an account for IQ option. Okay, so I started trading on IQ option in 2018. Okay, it's a Reddit broker and it has got $10 minimum deposit and $1 minimum investment. Okay, and the demo account comes with 10,000, and you can also replenish or add more when you deplete it. Okay, so these are some of the things you can trade on IQ option. Okay, you can trade silver, currencies, stocks. Okay, um so what should you trade with IQ option? Most of the things I like about IQ option is that their support system, they reply within seconds. Like you can chat it in real time, like on live chat, they reply fast. And when it comes to withdrawals are also instant, same as deposits. Okay, and it has got a nice user interface. It's actually easy. So to register an account, all you have to do is you can click here, okay, or you can just click here. Okay, so IQ option has got the Windows software which you can install on your laptop and start trading from there. You can also trade in your Chrome browser online. You can also install for iOS and Mac laptops. So for registration, you have to click here. Okay. So as for me, I already have an account, so I won't log in. Okay. So as for me, I already have an account, so um, I won't log in for now. Okay. So as you can see, as for me, I'm already logged in. Okay. So this is how IQ option looks like. Okay. So once you register an account, the first thing you will need to do is that you have to verify your email address. Okay, when you verify your email address, okay, so the first thing you have to verify your email address. When you're done with your email address, you will need to verify your phone number. Okay, when you're done with your phone number, you need to verify your personal data such as names and so on. Okay, then now the last thing you need to do is to verify your proof of identities. Okay, so now um why should you verify your account? Okay, the reason is simple. When you verify your account won't be locked out. You'll be withdrawing money easily. Okay, there'll be nothing like asking you to verify your account to withdraw money. So that's the first thing you need to do. But if you're not planning of opening a real account, you can verify later. But if you want to start trading real money, make sure that you verify first. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so how do you deposit the money uh, in on IQ option? Okay, so it's actually simple. If you want to deposit the money, you can just click on this button here, which is called deposit. Okay, so when you click here deposit, okay, there are several payment methods. There's mobile money. Okay, I've tried that mobile money. This one is currently not working here in Zambia, but I'm sure soon it will start working. Then M-Pesa is for, I don't know, I think it's Kenya. Okay, Netera, yeah, Netera works in Zambia. Skrill, I do have a Skrill account which works, but as at now, Skrill is no longer accepting people from Zambia to register. So the only way you can register is using a Visa Mastercard. Okay, okay. On this one, let me write up something. So how do you deposit using Visa? Okay, if you want to deposit using a Visa card, you need to have a bank account apart from Zanaco. Okay, if you have got a bank account and you've got a Visa card from Zanaco, depositing in binary, IQ option or anywhere, okay, it won't work. The reason is simple is because Zanaco Visa cards are not verified by Visa, so it won't work. So if you want to deposit using a Visa card, use other bank accounts like FNB, okay, Standard Chartered, and other bank accounts we have in Zambia. Okay, so that's how you deposit, and the minimum you can see is $10, or you can put your own amount. Okay, so how do you withdraw? Okay, also withdraw. If you want to withdraw money, just have to click here, and there's no minimum amount to withdraw. I've withdrawn a $1 before, and it's instant. Okay, so you can withdraw via the same Visa card you used. Okay, you can also use Add to Cash. You can also use Skrill. Okay, so now we're done to the registration process. Okay, as you can see, uh okay, here are my trades. Okay, as you can see this one, I'm just okay. I've withdrawn before a $2, as you can see here, in 2019. Okay, I've also withdrawn like a $8, a $45, a $18, a $48. Okay, so if you didn't know, I started trading first forex with IQ option. IQ option was my first broker, and at that time I was just depositing to my small amounts. Okay, so this is what I started with. Okay, so this is what I was withdrawing when I was trading with IQ option. So now uh how do we trade? So now to get started with trading, you have to click on trade now. If you already have the Android app, you can log in from there. Okay, so just have to click here, and you click on trade room. You're going to enter into the trade room. Okay, for fast and smoother, I think I recommended that you should install the Windows app. Okay, let's wait for it finishes. Okay, so this is IQ option. Okay, so let me just walk you with it, or what these things are seeing are. So here, total portfolio is where you can see the open orders and the closed, and how much you've made and how much you've lost. Then the trading history, this is where you can see like your losses and your profits and so on. Okay, then support and chat here. If you have a question, you can chat with them and they'll reply instant. Okay, you can also chat in groups. Then in the leaderboard here, you can see people worldwide and countrywide according to how much they're making. Okay, as for me, I stopped trading with IQ option. I now trade with binary, but yeah, but if I want, I can still trade with IQ option. But there are some things of which I don't like about IQ option when they moved on to binary. Okay, so you can also view by worldwide in the leaderboard. You can also view by countrywide. So let's say in my country, which is Zambia. So the leader here is Daniel. I don't know this Daniel who has made about 100,000 or so. Yeah, and okay, and I think me I'm on number last. I'm sure. Okay, I don't know how many current are trading here in Zambia. Okay, the list goes on. Okay, there are a lot of people who are trading. So that's the leaderboard. Then here the market analysis, you can see some news. Okay, everything is there. Then when you click on more here you can see tournaments. Okay, so what are IQ option tournaments? Tournaments are more like I think self-explanatory, whereby you just deposit in like a $2, then they'll give you $100. Then you'll be told, okay, you'll be told like to multiply that money. For example, here the entry fee is $20. Okay, when you join here $20, they will give you about, I don't know if it's $100. Then according to how you perform, you earn. So when you join there, if you want to earn the $3,900, you have to come up with the first position. So these are what tournaments are. Okay, so you can start these tournaments once you become more like a professional, and it's actually easy. I've tried this before, and I think I've come out number three before. I think, or number two. Okay, and you can also see some help on some video tutorials right away. Okay, so now we're done with the left side. Okay, now let's talk about the charts. Okay, IQ option has got a lot of charts. Okay, so if you want to change the chart, you can click here and you can choose. So for now, we're going to choose candlesticks. Okay, okay, so you have chosen some candlesticks as the chart. Then you can also change the time frame here. Okay, which is 5 seconds. Okay, you can also change some, you can also add some graphic tools as I said there on in my previous videos. And here you can add in some indicators. For example, if you want to add in like awesome oscillator, just have to click on it. Okay, then if you want to, can apply the default ones, then they will appear just there. Okay, so how do you make your first trade? Okay, first of all, you have to choose what you want to trade. Okay, there are a lot of things you can trade here. You can trade binary options, you can also trade digital, you can also trade forex, you can also trade stocks and cryptocurrencies, commodities and EFTs. But if a beginner, I would suggest you trading binary or digital. Okay, so let's say for example you want to trade this pair. Okay, as of IQ option, there's nothing like a lot size. Okay, so here there's nothing like putting wrong lot sizes. Actually, you put in the amount you're willing to lose or gain. So for example, if I put in $100 here, okay, then if I predict that the price will go high, I'll earn 91% of the $100 I've put there. If my order goes wrong or goes in the opposite direction, I will lose the $91. Okay, so currently it's in the 2 minutes time frame. So let's try to put in like what's this? Let's try to make a demo trade. Okay, so right now I've placed a buy order. Okay, so we're going to see what will happen. Okay, so I've placed $100. So we'll see if I'll lose it all or gain the 91% after 2 minutes. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to finish. Okay, so you have lost the $100, so that's how it works. Okay, so okay, so that's one of the reasons why I stopped trading with IQ options, because there's nothing like putting lot sizes, because here you put in the amount you're willing to lose or to gain more. So let's talk about other things here. So as you can see here, you can also see the time. So you have to make sure that if you're trading on one time frame, you have to make it load to the local time where you are. You have to make sure that the time here is not more than the time which is appearing down there. Okay, so um let's talk about some indicators. So for indicators, you can just click here. You can also save your indicators as templates, so you won't need to put them back again. Okay, and you also got some widgets of which you can use. Okay, and you can swap anytime. For example, if you want to come out in demo and go to real account, you can just click here and choose the real account. Okay, and also here you have to make sure that the time is according to what you want it. So if you want, you can put it in 1 minute. When you put 1 minute, it means that each candlestick is 1 minute. Okay, you have to make sure that, okay, and here you can see some other things. So you can go back if you want. Okay, so you might be wondering like, why did I stop trading on the IQ option? Okay, the reason is simple, is that once you continue learning how to trade, you come to notice that actually IQ option is not a good platform to start with, but it's good for beginners because to make you have an idea how these things work. So if you're a beginner, start with IQ option. Once you gain some basic knowledge about IQ option, move on to start trading with meta traders. Okay, where you learn how to because as of here, there's nothing like putting stop loss. I don't know about forex. Okay, there's nothing about lot sizes, and there's nothing like uh, and the chart is just doing not okay. As you can see, this chart here doesn't look exactly like the way it looks in MetaTraders. Okay, I can make more profits in MetaTrader than on IQ option, and a lot of people trade here, and it's not. Uh, if a lot of people trade here, it means that the percentage of you succeeding is very high, or it's very low. I mean, it's very low. Okay, so this was all about the walkthrough video about IQ option. Okay, if you liked it, feel free to comment or contact me. Okay, as of now, I'm only focusing on MetaTrader, so I want to be making more videos about IQ option. Okay, but if you need anything about the IQ option, feel free to ask or comment in the post. Okay, so this is bye bye for now.